Qua, and I was going to do a little review on the pellet gun that my brother gave me. Glad to see. So this thing is very loud. I can't shoot it. I'll shoot tomorrow, but it's very loud. And it's just a short little video of a little review on the pellet gun. It's a little heavy, but I thought I'd show you guys it. My brother gave it to me. And this video is dedicated